In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Connecting HubSpot and Slack is a fantastic way to streamline your communications and keep your team updated on important activities like new leads or customer interactions without having to constantly switch between applications. So let's dive into how you can set this up in just a few straightforward steps. First, the very first thing you need to do is log into both platforms. Open a web browser and sign into your HubSpot account. Once you have that open, go ahead and open a new tab for your Slack workspace as well. This will ensure that you have both accounts ready to connect and make the process as smooth as possible. Once you're logged in, the next step is to access the HubSpot app marketplace. From your main HubSpot dashboard, look for the marketplace icon, which looks like a little shopping bag. It's located in the top navigation bar. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select App Marketplace. This will take you to a variety of applications that you can integrate with HubSpot. Now, you'll want to search specifically for Slack. In the search bar within the App Marketplace, type Slack. You should see the official Slack integration card pop up at the top of your search results. Go ahead and click on that card. This will take you to the details page for the Slack integration, where you'll find more information about what the integration offers. The next step is to install the app. Look for the Install App button on the Slack detail page and give that a click. This starts the installation process, allowing HubSpot and Slack to work together seamlessly. Now, we're almost there. You'll need to grant permissions to create that connection between the two platforms. After clicking Install, a connection access window will appear. This is where you review what you're allowing. It's important to make sure you're comfortable with what information HubSpot will have access to in Slack. Once you've read through that, scroll down and click Allow to authorize the integration. And just like that, the integration is complete. HubSpot updates will now be able to sync directly into your chosen Slack channels. You're set up to receive important notifications right in Slack, so your team can stay informed and react quickly to any developments within HubSpot. And if you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to both HubSpot and Slack support teams for assistance. They can guide you through any troubleshooting steps you might need. That's it for connecting HubSpot to Slack. Now, you can stay on top of your leads and customer interactions without having to hop back and forth between apps. Isn't technology wonderful? If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more helpful tips.